Welcome back, everyone. Well, today's videos I'm going to do a little something different. I'm going to do a 1-year review on my log splitter. I purchased this log splitter December 23rd of 2019, and today's date is January 21st of 2021, so almost 13 months since I've been using this log splitter. And the log splitter I have is the Dirty Hands 25-ton log splitter. It has a 6.5 horsepower engine, which equates to 196 cc's. It's very fuel efficient. You know, you fill it up and you can go ahead and split for quite a while. The oil capacity of the engine is 20 ounces. The engine has a 3600 RPM max. That's not under a load. And the cycle time of this log splitter is 11.2 seconds, which I think is a pretty good cycle time. I've seen a lot of splitters that have really slow cycle times, and of course there's models out there that are faster also, but I think this is a decent cycle time. It doesn't hold you up very much. You get through the wood and send it back and she's ready to go again. So I think it's a decent cycle time for sure. I purchased this log splitter at a box store, and it was $999. It did not come with the log catcher here. I purchased that off of eBay for an additional $79. And if you're going to be doing larger logs, you got to have a log catcher. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. The log catcher is awesome, so you got to have one. I also purchased a cover for my log splitter because this sits outside 24/7, 365. So I did purchase a cover. I got the cover off of Amazon for 25 bucks. The hydraulic tank on it holds 6.5 gallons, and with a minimum of 5 gallons for operation. The oil filter on there, the model number is 100116. You can get those from Dirty Hands direct from the factory for $21.99. But I'm also told that you can use a Wix filter, model number 51551, and you can get those off of Amazon for only $15.94. I have not changed the filter on this yet. I ordered one of those Wix filters from Amazon, and I'm going to see how that works out. This log splitter is a horizontal or vertical. You can lift it up, and if you have bigger rounds, maybe something like those over there where you don't want to lift those up and get them up on the cradle there, you can tip this log splitter vertical and make it a lot easier. And I have used it that way, and it works awesome. The wedge on this log splitter is 7 inches tall. The same with the plate, bottom plate here. That's also 7 inches tall. The valve on this log splitter, you pull it forward. You gotta keep pulling it forward until it splits through your wood. But when you let go, it'll automatically return to wedge. It does take a 2-inch ball if you want to roll it around your property or whatever. It needs a 2-inch ball to do that. It does have 16-inch DOT rated tires. I did tow this home in the back of my truck. I didn't load it up in the trailer. I just put it on my truck and I towed it home. I went, I think the max speed I went was 50 miles an hour, and I only had like maybe 10-12 miles to go to get home. So other than that, I don't think I would take this on any long journeys for sure. But there you have it, guys. That's my little 2 cents about this splitter. So far to date, I have split 15 cords, full cords, 15 full cords, and have not had any issues whatsoever with the splitter. So the purpose of me making this video is for anybody out there that comes across this video on YouTube that is in the market for a homeowner styled splitter. Yes, I split wood and sell it, but I'm not splitting, you know, 100 cord or whatever a year. So far this year, my first year of selling firewood, and this is my first log splitter myself. I think this is a remarkable machine. Like I said, I've had 0 issues with it, so I highly recommend if you need a log splitter. You're not going to be doing a ton of splitting, because I can't really say how it would do under splitting, you know, large quantities of wood, but I think 15 full face cords is a pretty good bit for the first year of running it. I changed the oil once, and I have not changed that filter. Like I said, I've got another one on order, waiting for that to come in. But yeah, this is just for the guys out there that are in the market for a log splitter and really don't know where to go. So I hope my review kind of helps them make up their mind. So we're going to end it here. Like I always say, stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks everybody. I hope this helps you out.